Alright, here's our next explainer video. I have a question come in about how to make some changes to the demographics or the dashboard for the patient. So this is how we're going to make those changes, because you can see in your patient's dashboard here, when you go here, it's like we want to change some of these items around, add some, take some out of the contact choices. So it just depends on where you want to do these, but these can be done by going to the administration forms, layouts, and once you get into layouts, go here and go to demographics. In the demographics, these are all the fields that you see in the patient's chart. So if you want to change an item or add an item, you can. So like in this case, they wanted to change social security number to TRN. So we would go here and go TRN. And all you would have to do is save changes. You can leave the field ID the same. You're just changing the label on the field. And just like if you wanted this to say gender and not sex, you simply change that to gender. Now, if we go and look into the patient's dashboard, if we look under contacts, we will choices, let's go to edit. And now instead of saying social security number, it says TRN. And if we look here, instead of it saying sex, it says gender. So you would do this for each field that you would want to change in the dashboard or the demographics. You would find the corresponding field in here, it's by its name, and then update that field. Hope this works. Thank you for watching.